Are you doing a choo-choo train, Jai?
You ready? You think that's big enough for the head? Let's do a little bit more. There we go. All right, then we'll pick it up. There we go.
Wee, that's his head, Jai.
How's it looking, Mommy? Look okay?
Yeah, it looks big.
Huh?
It's gonna be a big snowman.
Yeah. This is him. We just gotta smooth him up now and carve him up. Gotta smooth him up. What do you think, Josh?